Today, we will continue our journey, keep scalping and day trading momentum-based assets. We will rely on our best scalping indicator and strategy. Markets are not easy to trade. We need to focus on more and more specific assets. No more user stock, let's start now. In this episode, we are going to dive into a student's trade and really break down what he did and how he took the trade from start to finish. Along the way, I'll also talk about our indicator with multiple time frames and explain how to actually use it in a simple, practical way. As you already know, multi-imbalanced areas are great places to look for trades, especially when you're trying to plan ahead. More importantly, what happens inside these areas is extremely important and can tell us a lot about price behavior. One of the first of strong tradable areas is seeing swing failure patterns, especially when they are combined with support and resistance flip points. This gives me confidence that a possible reversal can happen in this area instead of price just continuing in the same direction. So what we expect to see here is a structure shift followed by a price moving toward a clear target, possibly. Targets like major liquidity points such as equal lows, equal highs, or the previous day's low or highs can be great open liquidity targets for us. So what we really need is strong and meaningful liquidity areas that are capable of pulling the price towards them. And in the end, what we want to see is a structure shift and a clean trade opportunity like one shown here. As you can see, this is a complete price action setup that can be used in almost any kind of market situations. Now let's get back to the student trade. First of all, by using this ICT high time frame candles indicator, we can identify and analyze multiple time frames at the same time. This allows us to see different types of price action and smart money concepts together without constantly switching between time frames. For example, when you look at the 1 and 2-hour time frames, you can clearly see the multi-imbalance area, followed by a multiple swing failure patterns and multiple SR flips at once. Because of that, you immediately get a clear trade idea along with an expected move that could happen. The next thing you should ask yourself is whether there is a real reason for the price to crash downwards, a possible target maybe. Now, when I open the 5-minute time frame, things actually become much clearer. This is where the multiple smart money concepts and price action methods really come together. This is the exact area that we identify using our indicator. When you look below, you will notice some very interesting targets. First, we have the PDL, which is the previous day's low area. On top of that, it is actually combined with equal lows that formed later on. So now we have a logical and clear reason for the price to crash down into this area. After that, the rest is simply a structure shift and taking an entry. This is really a strong setup, probably one of the A++ setup that you can come across. I want to congratulate all the students who were able to take this trade. Great work, guys. Okay, folks, ending this great lecture. Learned about great trading concepts today. Please take care and see you in the next video. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free TradingView indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.